Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to know who the host is on Google Meet. Keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. It's pretty easy to find out. If you are a host or not on Google Meet, click open a web browser first in the web address bar at the top, type in google.com. And enter. Make sure you're logged into your Google Meet account. And once you are, if you want to become a host, you'll need to click on the New Meeting button, select any one option from the pop-up. In order to create a meeting. If you want to join in as a student in Google Meet, you need to enter a code or the link that has been provided to you by the host while in a meeting. If you want to know that if you are a host or not, all you need to look for is this icon over here that says Post Controls. If pointed out, simply look for this shield icon with a lock icon in it at the bottom right corner. If you see that icon over there, then you are the host of the meeting. If you don't see it there, then you have joined in as a student on Google Meet to host yours, and they have control over the whole meeting. They can restrict what participants can do in the meeting. If they want them to share their screen, send text messages, or now you can allow your participants to share their screen, send chat messages from this host settings. That is how you'll be able to know if you are the host on Google Meet. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.